What I'm going to show is how to replace the inlet valve and the outlet valve in our cisterns on our Turner Hastings toilet suites. For starters, remove the outlet valve. It's a simple twist and up. Now on the outlet valve, the only part that really needs replacing is this washer on the base, which is easy peeled off. A replacement washer purchased, which we carry in stock, and then reinstall it back on the base again. Simple as that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show how to remove the inlet valve and where the washer is on there in one of our cisterns. So take it out of that little cradle. Now that's the hose that runs up to the water supply, whether it comes in the back of the cistern or the base. Please keep in mind all our water supply hoses are PVC coated to protect against perishing. Now where the washer is in this inlet valve is in the end here. So simply unclip it from there, take the base off, and now to get to the washer we just simply turn this round, take the end off there, and there's your washer. So that's a replaceable part, that washer on the end there. Take the rubber out, put the new one in. It just simply pulls off that plastic and back on again. New washer in to reinstall. Same process in reverse. Now to reinstall it back in the cistern, that's a new washer in there. Simply drop it back into the cistern itself, install back in the cradle. To install the outlet valve in, just a matter of dropping it into the placement there. Twist sideways and you've got your half flush and your full flush. To adjust the height of the water that's filling in the cistern, you get a Phillips head screwdriver and adjust that screw up and down. That allows how much water to come into the back of the cistern. So there's the Phillips head screwdriver head just there. Adjustment down for more water, adjustment up for less water. Thank you very much.